achieve this blowout, keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do an at-home blowout using a knitted round brush. So this one, and I'm gonna be using these ones, and then I'm gonna use these small ones for my fringe. So first thing first, I need to prep my hair. So I use the Be Curly Aveda leave-in this one. After that, I go in with, and I use a little bit. I'm gonna just use a ball bristle brush. And then now, lastly, I go in with Color Wow Extra Strength Dream Coat. Like so. Always section the front bit and make sure it's not too wide. Yeah, so like so. Use a claw clip and clip it into place. Separate our hair from the back. Clip this. And we're gonna start on our right side. Sorry, I keep looking at the viewfinder. Anyways, so separate it into two and then clip the other section. So when I use a heated round brush, underneath first and then over and then bring it up, I release it. Rollers, and I always roll underneath. So make sure that all the hair is on the roller, like so. I clip it with these small with these small clippers, and then I go into my next section, split it into two, and then clip it. Then wait a couple seconds. I release it. For the front sections, I prefer to use a smaller roller. The same as well. Like so. We can do the same thing, go underneath. And then above. And then go underneath again, and then keep rolling, and then twist it. Use these rollers for the back. And then I try to hook onto my end, and then clip it. Like so. Now I've done this side, I'll move on to the other side. So clip, and then twist, keep twisting. Twist it out. Perfect. Keep rolling. Yeah. And then clip it into place. We're gonna start with our back section now. We're gonna do the same thing. much the same thing. Go on. Bangs, I'm gonna split it into two and use the smallest rollers. All done. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it in for 2 hours and then I will come back when the 2 hours are up. Excuse the lighting, I'm gonna take this out. One important thing, if you take the rolls out, make it out. Make sure that you twist the hair. So I separate my hair with my fingers first. Now we can do the top section. And then you do the same thing, so you twist it out. Shake it out. Yeah, so the bangs you have to like readjust. Plus I use the volumizing dry texture mist, this one. Prep Me, Prime Me, Define Me polishing primer from Gisu. Yeah, so I separate the curls with my... Okay, I found it. Yeah, so I use a regular white tooth comb and I separate the curls. I don't need to use a lot. I use it on the ends. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.